We're different from other programs in the district because we're not a woodshop class. We're not building birdhouses, we're building houses, preparing kids to work in commercial, industrial, and residential construction. Construction technology is a class where students can come and learn about all different sectors of the construction trades. Electricians, or electrical work, plumbing, framing, metal work. And when you complete our 2-year program here at Merlot, you will be put directly on a list to be called for available job opportunities within the trades. My name is John Halbin and I teach the Construction Technology program at Merlot campus. And this is our brand new classroom. We're working really intimately with the materials. We use circular saws, we use hammers and nails, drills, a lot of smaller tools, fun tools, grinders, welders, a lot of interesting things that you may not have used or seen before. We haven't built this out to be a cabinet shop per se. It's really more towards what you're gonna see when you're in the trades, on the job, working and making money. Yeah, so the outdoor space is really an outdoor play space. You've got a large area for setting up forms that we're building or walls, ample space to move around and have students building large things. We have a covered area for our metal fabrication, so cutting and grinding steel, welding. We have 3 different welding booths within that blue curtain you see. And it's really designed to create an environment where the students come in and it's just like the workplace. It's a place to explore, a place to get your hands on tools, and maybe they scare you, but you're learning.